Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Bedroom Comfort. Are you tired of creaky bed frames that keep you up at night? Well, I've got the solution for you. Introducing the new JETO metal bed frame. This thing is a total game changer. With its sturdy tube design, you'll never have to worry about annoying sliding or creaking again. It's like sleeping on a cloud. The steel slat support with center support legs makes it super stable. The platform bed frame is widely applicable. You can use it in your bedroom, guest room, dormitory, or even in a hotel. It's that versatile. One of the things that really sets it apart is how easy it is to set up. You can have it assembled in no time, and the extra storage space is a total bonus. You can store all your bedding, out-of-season clothes, or even luggage. This bed frame is also incredibly sturdy. The metal feels solid and durable, and when you lie down, you can feel the support. It's like being enveloped in a cocoon of comfort. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. It's a top choice for anyone looking for a reliable bed frame. The new JETO metal bed frame is better than others because it's designed with the user in mind. It's all about providing a comfortable and restful sleeping experience, and it delivers. Imagine being able to sleep soundly, without any distractions, and waking up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. That's what this bed frame can offer you. So if you're in the market for a new bed frame, look no further. The new JETO metal bed frame is the way to go. Trust me, you won't regret it. As always, links in the description. 1. Have a nice day. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.